Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental, yet often overlooked rules of video editing. Don't cut without a purpose. It sounds simple, right? But mastering this principle is what separates good editors from great ones. It's the secret sauce that makes a video feel seamless, professional, and completely immersive. So what does it actually mean to cut with purpose? Every single time you make a cut, you should be able to answer the question, why am I cutting right here, right now? If you don't have a clear answer, you might be making a mistake. A cut isn't just about joining two clips together. It's a powerful storytelling tool. It can control the pace, direct the viewer's attention, reveal new information, create an emotional response, or even build suspense. Let's break down some of the most common and effective reasons to make a cut. The first, and maybe the most obvious, is to change the perspective or shot size. Think about a basic interview setup. You might cut from a wide shot that establishes the scene to a medium shot of the speaker, and then to a close-up to emphasize a particularly emotional or important point they're making. Each cut serves the purpose of guiding the audience's focus and adding visual variety. Without these cuts, your audience would be stuck staring at one static shot, which gets boring fast. Another crucial reason to cut is to condense time. Imagine you're making a cooking video. Nobody wants to watch an egg fry for 5 straight minutes. You show yourself cracking the egg into the pan. Then you cut to the perfectly fried egg ready to be plated. That cut just saved your audience 4.5 minutes of their life. This is called a jump cut, and when used intentionally, it's incredibly effective for tutorials, vlogs, and any content where you need to show a process without showing every single second of it. It keeps the energy high and respects the viewer's time. Cuts are also essential for pacing and rhythm. Quick, rapid-fire cuts can create a sense of excitement, urgency, or chaos. Think about an action movie trailer or a high-energy sports montage. The cuts are fast, almost frantic, and they get your heart pumping. On the other hand, letting a shot linger with fewer cuts can create a feeling of calm, tension, or introspection. Today's slow, deliberate pace allows the viewer to absorb the atmosphere and connect with the moment. The rhythm of your edits is like the beat of a song. It sets the entire mood for your video. A very powerful technique is the J-cut or L-cut. This is where the audio from the next clip starts before the video does, a J-cut, or the audio from the current clip continues over the video of the next clip, an L-cut. This is cutting with a very specific purpose, to create a smooth, almost invisible transition. It links scenes together gracefully and makes the viewing experience feel more cinematic and less jarring. Instead of a hard cut where both audio and video change at the same time, this technique guides the viewer from one idea to the next. But what happens when you cut without a purpose? You get what's called a jump scare of editing. A random, unmotivated cut can be disorienting. It pulls the viewer out of the experience and makes them aware that they're watching an edited video. It breaks the illusion. Have you ever watched something where the cuts just felt off? That's probably because the editor was just cutting for the sake of cutting, maybe to hide a mistake or just because they felt they should. Every cut should feel motivated and intentional, serving the story you're trying to tell. So how can you put this into practice? Before you slice a clip, pause for a second. Ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve with this cut? Am I revealing information? Am I changing the emotion? Am I improving the pace? If your only answer is, I'm bored with this shot, you might need to rethink it. Maybe the shot itself is the problem, not the lack of a cut. Next time you're in your editing software, treat every cut like a deliberate choice. Think like a storyteller, not just a technician. By ensuring every single edit has a clear and defined purpose, you'll elevate your videos from a simple collection of clips to a cohesive and compelling narrative that truly captivates your audience. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you think more critically about your own editing process. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more editing tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what your favorite reason to make a cut is. See you in the next one.